Welcome everyone to Global FX Radio YouTube. I'm your host Andrew Spanton. 11/19/2008. What a day! What a day! What a doggone day! Can you say Turnaround Wednesday? I don't know, but what a freaking day! Euro dollar exploding, then collapsing. 86 holding in dollar index, as you see right there. Sterling dollar, the relative strength winner today, up almost 350 pips from the lows at one point, only to collapse as the stock market collapsed. A lot of news out today, but I got to tell you, it's all about the stock market, stock market, stock market. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger. People, if you don't get the correlation, I don't know what to tell you. But it is what it is. You know, there's plenty of reasons why the dollar rallies when the stock market goes down. Risk aversion, they say. I think also margin calls. You know, a lot of foreigners who get margin calls, they have to pump more money in to keep their stocks. Maybe that's why. I don't know. But it is what it is. And you got to get with the program. Look at the dollar index right now. Outside day. Very bullish. Closing 2.5-year high for the dollar index. Very bullish. Look at that's a closing high. Stock market closed below 8,000. I think the stock market collapses tomorrow. I've been the boy who cried wolf on this a lot, but I got to tell you, under 8,000, a lot of people are not sleeping tonight and I'm going to say, sell, Mortimer, sell. Limit down on the open tomorrow. That should mean carry trade gets annihilated tonight, and it's triple rollover. And if you don't know what triple rollover is, you must be a new listener. Email me. I'll email you something about it. Again, we look to get long the yen, short the carry trade after 5 o'clock on Wednesdays as triple interest is paid. That's all triple roll is. All right, let's take a look at the hourly chart in euro dollar. As we see here, hey, listen, I got to tell you, we were long people. We cleaned up today. We did very well in Asia, and then we kicked butt in U.S. I mean, listen, I wasn't going to fight this. We went with it, baby. And again, the numbers weren't so great out of the U.S. Cable was ridiculously strong. And then we just had the gold move. Gold was up almost $50 at one point. That was a go sign. We broke through this big channel. Look at it. Don't tell me channel lines when you break through aren't huge. Oh, they are, baby. And again, if you don't believe me, please come into Premium. Try it for a day. Ask my people what we did today. And you'll see. And you know, we took the rest of the day off. I didn't catch any of this move. A little bit. Shorted the Aussie late in the day. Shorted cable late in the day. You know, made a little bit on that. But we're out. That was it. You know what? I took my dog for a 2-hour walk on the beach, went to lunch with my girlfriend, came back, and I'm all refreshed and ready to go, baby. Listen, if you're a trader, you can't be at your desk all the time. You've got to enjoy your life. When you have days like today and you really do well, you got to just say, you know what, enough. I'm out. I got to enjoy my life. That's what's great about trading. You don't have to be 9 to 5. The only thing holding you to your desk is yourself. It's not a paycheck, that's for sure. So look at this euro dollar chart again. You see the massive wedge we have here. And we broke it out. In my opinion, they're going to break it out to break it down. And you even got the shorter term wedge here that's broken. 126 is busted. And they broke it out to break it down. And I got to tell you, it looks like 124 is going to get hit tonight. Under 125, it looks like death. Daily chart. And again, we did great on the short side in the yen carry trade, and then we did great on the long side. And if I, you know, gotta enjoy your life. And look at the daily chart. That was the hour. Look at the daily chart. You see. I mean, look at this, just churning, ready for a bar down. And folks, this is another outside day. And you look at the wedge too. Look at this wedge. They broke it out to break it down. Under 125, this looks bad. We're going 124. We break through 124, we could be saying hello to 120, 150. That's the big retracement level. If you remember some of my other broadcasts way back when. It's taken a while. Sterling dollar, can you say, Doji, bye-bye. Sterling dollar breaks through 149, and it's toast. Hey, listen, you know what? Do you really want someone who's boring, or do you want someone who loves this market, is excited about it, who makes people money? Who knows what the hell he's talking about? You know, it's like all these other people that do this crap. I mean, I want to be the Kramer of Forex. My goal is to be the Kramer of Forex. Just be more right than he is. because he sucks. Kramer sucks. Anyway, he's just fun to watch. Again, looking at the this cable dollar, we break through this whole 149 level, and it's over. Hourly chart, sterling. 5 minutes left. I will do it. Come on, Jojo, be quiet. Hourly chart you see also. Again, break it out to break it down. I mean, they broke this entire downtrend channel line. I mean, sucked so many people in. This was a major line. This was a 10-day line. Really, 2 weeks. Broke through it a little bit. But boy, we hit it. And again, broke through that other big resistance I had there, the 150, 150. That was our target there. Ripped through it like butter. Now they're going to break it down. And again, look at this uptrend channel line that's being violated also. This cable under 148. I mean, 149 is huge. Under 149, this sterling goes right to 148. And one of the things you must know, again, it's Wednesday, and we sell sterling dollar on Wednesday. We sell dollar yen, and we sell sterling yen. Some days sterling dollar goes down more than dollar yen on Wednesdays. Euro sterling had a very nice day, reversal day today. We lost a little money in euro sterling. That Euro Canada kicked my butt, but I got to tell you, that came down 200 pips, saved the day. Euro Canada, another hugely overvalued currency. In my opinion, I think there's a chance the euro will be no more in a couple of years. The French are going to riot. Certain countries are going to want to lower rates more than Triget's willing to lower. There could be economic Armageddon, financial Euro Armageddon in Eurozone. Unless London joins the euro. That would be the only thing I think that could save the euro at this point. Because it's not good. Germany's going to want to lower rates huge. They're not going to get it. Euro sterling. Sorry, I only have a little time. Daily chart. I love this Aussie dollar to the downside, by the way. Dollar Canada is so broken out to the upside. And again, closing low. This doesn't look good. Again, broke through this uptrend channel line. This might go a little low. We might reach 82 now. 82. Which means the euro's probably going to underperform. But this euro sterling is probably going to back and fill all the way to 82 now. Look at that spot. So this was not good close. We lost a little money in euro sterling. I'm down like 40 pips. Big deal. What the pullback was up. Gave it back. But I think now my target now has got to be 82. Euro yen. Here we go, baby. These scan crosses look like they want to collapse. Maybe I have time for Aussie yen. Look at the monster wedge. Look at that wedge. We cracked through 119.50. It could get ugly. Notice how we keep making lower highs. We're holding the 20 exponential on any bounce on the euro. Yen outside day closing below 3-day lows, filling in Sunday's gap. This looks like an abomination. This is going to collapse. And this is a massive wedge. Listen, can we stall here maybe? Can we stall right down here 119? We could, and then rally back. But you know what? At this point, today's highs are key. We take out today's highs and close above it, then we'd have to get bullish on it. But I know I go back and forth. But you know, the stock market closing below 8,000, how can you be long? There's only one way, and that's the short side, the dark side in the carry trade in the next 12 hours until the stock market opens. Paulson speaking tomorrow at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If this idiot doesn't come out with something new, the stock market's down big into that speech, he's the worst Treasury Secretary we've ever had. He's nervous. He doesn't know what the hell to do. He just sucks. Plain and simple. Hourly chart. You're in. But watch for that possible turnaround in the stock market, by the way. Watch for that possible turnaround in the stock market on a Paulson speech at 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. Oh, great. Now we're freezing up. Oh, there we go. Hourly chart, euro yen. Look at that. Right up to the bounce. I'm not selling this at 5 o'clock. We shorted dollar yen into that bounce at 90, 95, 95. But this looks terrible. We break through, we're going to melt like butter. Sterling yen, another one. Uptrend channel line being violated. It's over. This baby takes out 143 and say hello to filling in the gap at 141. If you have any questions about going premium, visit my radio site, globalfxradio.com. You should be able to get answers there. You can sign up for the 1-week trial. Try out my service. See for yourself. info@globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton. Have a good night. The only voice you'll ever need.